Hello friends, welcome to SAS Food Blogs. Today we are going to see must try Ramadan snacks, that is cheesy and crispy broccoli balls. Looking for a crispy, cheesy and delicious snacks? Try this broccoli balls, a perfect appetizer or tea time snacks that crunchy on the outside and gooey on the inside. This easy to make recipe is ideal for parties, kid snacks or quick bite. When craving it, serve with ketchup or your favorite dip for the ultimate taste. Broccoli cheesy ball. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Ingredients for making broccoli cheesy ball: boiled potatoes, broccoli, onion, garlic, chili flakes, mixed herbs, salt, pepper powder, coriander leaves, corn flour, oil, cheesy cubes and breadcrumbs. Preparation method: take boiled potato fine numbers and using a grater grate it in a bowl. Add 1 cup of finely chopped broccoli and mix it well. Add half cup of finely chopped onion and mix it well. Then add finely chopped 2 cloves of garlic and mix it well. Then add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes and add 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs and mix it well. Then add salt as per your taste and add half teaspoon of pepper powder. Then add finely chopped coriander leaves and mix it well. Then add 1 tablespoon of corn flour and mix it well. Then add oil as per your need and mix it well to form the dough. Take a small portion from the dough and make a ball by keeping the cheese in the center of the ball. Then we need to coat the ball with breadcrumbs and keep it aside. Take a kadai and deep fry the broccoli cheesy ball, and once it been fried on the both the sides, move it to a serving plate. Cheesy and crispy broccoli is ready to serve now. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update.